I got the hiccups again. And I got the hiccups again. I just got them, so it's kinda, I kinda hear them. And, you wanna know what that squeaky noise was? That was the door, because I closed it, and I got the hiccups. So yeah, I'm just doing the video because I got the hiccups. I don't know how I got them, because I'm cooking the chicken and the French fries, and also when I was done, I had like uncontrollable hiccups or whatever and stuff, and I don't know how I got them. So yeah, I just have them right now, so I kind of like having them. So, done it. So yeah, I just like having the hiccups. It's like uncontrollable ones almost. And that was 2 double ones. So yeah, so how are you people doing today? I'm just cooking the chicken and the French fries. Apparently, I don't think I'm cooking the French fries right. Not French fries, the chicken. I haven't started the French fries yet because I'm cooking the chicken. When I accidentally dropped the chicken, my mom was like this, what was that noise? And I'm like, I dropped the kitchen, and I'm like, kitchen? What did I say kitchen for? And apparently I meant to say chicken. So yeah. So, yeah, so I'm okay. I'm in my bean bag right now. If you want to know what that is behind me, that's my horse, and that's my picture behind me. I guess I was in 6th grade. So yeah, ow. I'm okay. Anyways, so just let you know that my mom's computer is not working for some reason. Do you know how to get it on or whatever? Because the green light behind it keeps blinking and ticking for some reason. I don't know. Because I use my mom's computer, because my computer don't work anymore because it quit. So yeah, that was funny. I think they're gone. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. That's my funny voice I use sometimes. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I just did a video of my hiccups. So, yeah. I better go because I got the chicken and the french fries on and I don't want to burn the house down. So, yeah. So, I love you all, guys. Bye. Bye. Just let me know how to get my mom's computer on or whatever. Okay? Bye. Bye. See you later. Okay, I just do that funny voice sometimes. So yeah, I love you all. Bye. And I'm kind of tired though. Love you.